Good morning. Look who's also here. Come say hi. Say hi. This is Miss Aria. This is Chris's stepmom's baby. She's my girl and we're watching her today, right? Okay, well, anyway, she's gonna be with us until like 1 today, and then we're leaving to go check on Brucey Butt. We're babysitting my friend's animals this weekend, so we're gonna go stay at her house while they're out of town, and we gotta go grocery shopping later, and we got lots of stuff to do, so it's gonna be a fun day, and you should come along with us. She shook her head yes. So anyway, have anything to say, baby?
These babies are crazy, and we're lucky to get out alive.
Bye. Okay, so Chris just had a total dad moment. Cooked up meals for the babies, sausage, eggs, avocado, fruit. Just did the whole damn thing, didn't you, super dad? And super big brother.
Make sure they're fed, right?
Yeah. Anyway, so we're just gonna be chilling here with them, and I'm gonna probably go check on Brucey at least here at some point. So I'll see you later. Hello. Okay, so Aria and Amber just left, and it was a very nice time, honestly. The babies took good naps. Aria just fell right asleep on Chris's lap on the couch while I put Bo to sleep in the bedroom, and it all worked out great. So now we are going to check on Brucey Butt, and we have our whole car packed up with our stuff to stay there for a few days. So we're gonna go hang out with him and probably take him for a walk. He's a dog, by the way. So, and the cats too, like you can't forget about the cats. There's also a snake there. My best friend Lily really loves animals, so anyway, so we're on our way to go check on all the animals. I need my sunglasses, but anyway, and then we're gonna go grocery shopping, so come along. Have anything to say, Bobo? No. Brucey, come here! This video is going to your mom!
Come on, Brucey.
Brucey! Brucey! Okay, hello. We just grocery shopped. Hold on. Okay. Hello. We just grocery shopped at Meijer, and now we're on the way back to hang out with Brucey Butt and cook some tacos. So I'll give you a little grocery haul when we get back to Lily's and get it all unpacked. And then you can get a taco montage, because, duh, right? It'll be a fiesta. Anyway, Bo was kind of pissed off during that shopping trip, so Chris had to come to the car with him. And then I was just like panicking, trying to use self-checkout by myself, because I apparently am not very good at it. But anyway, we'll see you back at the house. Bye. The famous Brucey Goosey, the handsomest guy ever. He's like, yeah, whatever. Alright, grocery haul. We got donuts, some cherries, some onion rye bread, Dave's Bagels, dairy-free mocha almond fudge bars, more dairy-free bars, and believe it or not, we even got more ice cream, but it's in the freezer. Black bean corn salsa for taco night, butter, some Mexican rice, vegan meat for tacos, vegan mayo. I got 2 of my energy drinks, the Alani ones, and then a Red Bull for Christopher's cold brew, some onion, lime, tomato, all for tacos, bananas for Bo, chips, tortillas, black beans, vegan cheese, some lunch meat for Bo, taco seasoning, morning or breakfast sausages for Bo, and then avocados, my spicy noodle bowls, fruit, more snacks, and some socks for Bo. I think that's all. So yeah, we're about to start cooking tacos because we're all hungry, and Bobo's just chilling, kind of settling in for the next few days and having a good time. So we might go for another little walk around the neighborhood before bed. Who knows? So that's all for now. Do you want to say something to the vlog? Say, hey, we're at Lily's.
It's a ball.
Yeah, it's a ball. You're very handsome. Oh, you want to throw it to me? And woo! Nice throw. He's so happy. Whoa, crazy. Oh, Brucey.
This is what I got. Oh, slow down.